On 5 News.
All right, we're taking a look outside of our local weather cams from all of our sponsors. Right as we've started to come back on air, I can hear the rain on our roof here in Bridgeport at our station. As this rain has been kind of on and off throughout the day, heavy at times, a little bit lighter at others, and that's going to be the trend as we go throughout the rest of tonight and into tomorrow. Looking at the satellite radar right now, most of this rain is to the west of I-79, but we are starting to see that kind of creeping towards the east as well. We're going to start to see more of that rain coming into those higher elevations. But also notice that there is some heavier rain that's starting to approach areas of Marion and Monongalia County. We're watching that closely, and I'll show you the alerts with that in just a moment. But first, let's zoom out and take a look at this entire system here, centered all the way over here, and we have that warm front jutting out here, a cold front all the way back here. So if you remember yesterday, we were talking about how we are in the warm sector of this system, where we're in between that warm front and that cold front, which is allowing for that southerly flow to come in. It allows for that rain to get very heavy at times, gusty winds, as well as the name suggests, warm temperatures. So as of right now, the rain, this is estimated from what we've seen on the radar so far. This is not exact amounts, but basically we have seen a lot more rain in Ritchie County and Monongalia County so far in that kind of 1 to 2 inch range. A lot of heavy rain fell earlier this morning. So because of that, there is this flood warning in effect in those areas of Monongalia as well as down in Ritchie County, a little sliver. That flood warning is in effect through 5:30 p.m. That means that flooding is already occurring. There is also now a flood advisory out for a little bit further south of Monongalia County as well as all of Marion County. That flood advisory is through 7 p.m. And what that means is it is expected to see flooding in that area with this push of rain that we're going to be seeing in the coming hours. So the best advice you could give during flooding is turn around, don't drown, do not try to drive through any floodwaters. There is likely to be some flooding, especially in poor drainage areas in more urban areas. So we are expecting some more rainfall coming through tonight, as I mentioned, and this is going to be lasting through tomorrow as well. Likely another ½ an inch across the area, if not a little bit more. Taking a look at this on the futurecast tonight, we are going to likely see a little bit more rain than what you see here on this model. This is probably going to update shortly with kind of an updated look at the more heavier rainfall that we are going to see in the next couple of hours. But as we go overnight, we do get a little bit of a break. We see more just some cloud cover, but we are not out of the woods of the system just yet. We're going to continue to see those rain showers picking back up Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon is when the cold front with this system finally makes its way into our area and crosses over. At this time, we could have some gusty winds again, as well as the heavy rain and the potential for a little bit of rumbles of thunder as well. Once that passes, we're going to be out of the woods for the rain for the time being, but our temperatures are going to be dropping as a result. So taking a look at your 7-day forecast here, we are going to be back into the 40s by the time we get to the weekend, and some more messy precipitation is on the horizon.